the simplest and best foreskin stretching kit. Hello, I get from time to time emails from men asking me about foreskin stretching exercises. So they're suffering from a condition called phimosis, where basically for whatever reason the foreskin begins to tighten around the end of the penis, so they can't stretch it back over the gland, or if they do stretch it back over, they can't get it back forward again, and it can be very painful. So what can you do? Well, there are some simple solutions. Now, I know there are things online like balloons, little tiny balloons that you can put under the inside the foreskin, blow it up and it'll inflate it. Now, they may work for some people. I've talked to a couple of blokes, a couple of men who it hasn't worked for, and we've sort of experimented with our clients, and we've come up with a simple strategy that does tend to work in most circumstances. So first of all, I think the answer lies in what could have caused the foreskin to go tight. What could have caused it? Now, it could have been tight originally, in which case this information I'm going to share with you will still apply. But very often, all men from time to time have a yeast infection or a fungal infection. And that is because the end of the penis, underneath the foreskin, the gland inside, it's warm, it's dark, it's moist, and there's plenty of food. So it's not about personal hygiene, this. It's warm, it's dark, it's moist, and there's plenty of food. So if you have an interruption in or a weakening of your immune system, you can maybe feel a bit run down, a bit tired, maybe not enough fresh food, whatever, a bit stressed. Your immune system isn't working, and the normal, see, we're covered in fungus. So, and the fungus, we have good fungus and bad fungus. And if some of the good fungus is weak, then the bad fungus starts to take over, and it begins to inflame or eat into the foreskin. Now, your body then could recover itself, or you could treat yourself in different ways, but then the foreskin can go tighter. Either way, you're stuck with a tight foreskin, and this is how you get rid of it. The simplest way that we have found of treating this condition. Now, I don't know what you've got in your kitchen, but go and have a look for 2 teaspoons. Yeah? 2 simple teaspoons. Now, I can't demonstrate with my own penis, but you get the gist of it. There is a tight hole that represents the end of your penis. You get 1 spoon in there like that, and you get the other one in like that. I'm doing it with one hand here. And you gently push apart the skin. I can't see what's looking like on the camera there. So you put 2 spoons in behind your foreskin and gently go like, can you see the action I'm doing? That will stretch your foreskin. Gently doing that every day. Now, we've also found, as I mentioned earlier, the biggest cause for this, as far as we're concerned, is the yeast infection underneath the foreskin. Now, have a look at this. Urgent. There's a link below this video to this stuff. Balanitis Doctor. And what it is in here, there are 4 plant extracts, organic, 100% natural, Mother Nature, 4 plant extracts. Just a couple of drops, it's an oil. It's a natural oil, and I don't know if you can see that. You see that? You put these drops of oil on and underneath your foreskin. This will soften the skin of your foreskin, but not only that, it'll kill off all the fungal and yeast infection that could be around your foreskin. So it makes your foreskin more elastic, it softens it, and it kills off any fungus. So put that oil under your foreskin, find 2 very slender spoons, no sharp edges, put them into, and just you can play with it every day. Do this twice a day, and in double quick time your foreskin just stretches, stretches, stretches. And when you've stretched it past over the end of your penis, again, put the drops of the oil, the balanitis doctor. It's specifically designed for foreskins, so it won't harm your penis in any way at all. Put it around the gland of the penis, put it underneath on the inside of the foreskin, and slide it backwards and forwards. Keep doing that until you'll know when. Keep using the spoons. It'll go from twice a day to once a week. The problem's gone, and that's it. So, 2 spoons and the balanitis doctor. There's a link below this video. We'll get it sent out to you today. Have a look on the website if you want to contact us, if you want some more information. There's an email address, a telephone number, and it would really help us if you subscribe to these videos, because we'd love to share more information with you. Alright, and by the way, it's not just grown men that experience this problem. There are many youngsters who it can be quite frustrating or frightening to them when they're having a problem with this. Again, it's a simple process. They might need a bit of guidance with this, but as long as there's no sharp edges and they take it easy, take it very easy. Don't try to rip it, just gently. You could put a couple of drops on the inside. It'll make everything fresh, but more important, it'll make it elastic, just a little bit every day, and within a week or so the problem should be sorted. Alright, so subscribe to our videos. By all means, click on the link below this video and have a look at what we've got to offer you and help you, and then we'll help you get it sorted. Alright then, thanks a lot, and bye for now.